Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video ay pumunta muna kami sa isang establishment na nag-print, notarize this sworn declaration and Annex A. So ito yung dalawang file na kailangan yung i-print out and then fill upon depending on your business. So you need to print this into 3 original copy and then kailangan mong ipa-notarize siya and then ipa-copy mo or pa-born nyo sa CD or USB. And ayan na siya. Then you can get this on BIR website or I can provide a link if you want. And pagdating naman sa BIR, napakabilis lang, walang pila sa compliance section because pag may business ka and naka-register sa BIR, it is really required to submit this inventory list every January and the deadline is January 30. So, ayan. And sinabay ko na rin yung pag-update ko ng COR into 8% because every year kailangan i-update yan para updated sila even though may nakalagay na sa COR nyo. So, ayan, na-receive na nila. Thank you.